Hey there, C4H here. They have a changelog again. This is a hotfix changelog. I'm curious what they did. I wanted to record my first reactions, so click for the latest hotfix version changelog. End known reported issues, journey end bug reports, reporting, rules of the road. So what I'm mostly hoping for here is fixes for things that they just forgot to do. Well, not things that are for the new thing. Made some optimizations to help game performance. Good, because this is a problem for me in my area where I have a lot of mannequins with armor on them. It lags really bad, so I'm hoping that they fix that. We'll see next time I record. Fix some memory management issues, cool. Might have something to do with that also. Fixed lighting-related crash, okay. Server config setting slow liquids that restores the maximum movement of liquid to their old setting. Off by default, turn this on will decrease the amount of liquid that can move at once, but may reduce lag. Okay, yeah. The new systems seem like weirdly more laggy, even though they say they're more optimized. It's strange. I'm not a video game designer, so I wouldn't know exactly how it works, but it does seem a little bit weird in some areas. Fixed a crash when loading certain worlds. Which ones? Which worlds are you talking about there? Fixed Solar Pillar's enemy bestiary page crashing the game on Linux. Poor Linux, dude. Bug fixes. Team nameplates being in the wrong position. Team nameplates no longer showing the health bars of damaged teammates. Oh, nice. Fixed an issue where multiplayer servers could run and allow players to join corrupted world files. Holy shit. So these guys could actually just go to Personal World 1 and just hang out? I wish I could do that. Why would you fix that? Fixed an issue where sticky grenades, bombs, and dynamite didn't always stick. Okay, thank you. Yeah, I could just imagine. You just have you have 2 dynamite left or 2 bombs left, and you have to throw it in a certain way so that it can get you all the way through the Ebonstone to the Shadow Orb or something, and it just doesn't stick. It rolls. That would be cancer. Fixed an issue where fixing like texting, but more fix. Fixed an issue where mana stars were dropping roughly 20% as much as they should. Weird. What does that mean? Does that mean fallen stars? Mana stars you craft, so how do you drop them 20% less than they should? What? I don't get that one. Petting a town pet will no longer let you pet them if slopes are interfering and would make you float. Oh, cool. Slopes breaking even more shit. Oh, God. Fixed collectors? Wait, what? Fixed collectors edition overriding with a magic mirror and journey mode character. Oh, that was actually screwing over Cheery. That's nice. Props to him, he's fixed. Fixed traveling merchant, skeleton merchant accidentally having NPC happiness. They're not allowed to be happy. Is what I gather from that. Fixed an issue where enchanted sundial would cause heavy FPS drops. Thank you. Haven't used one yet. Glad I haven't. Now I'm actually able to use it. Thank you. Fixed NPCs sitting incorrectly in dynasty chairs. Could you fix the part where I float above them? It looks like I go full PewDiePie mode and I lose my legs every time I try to sit. It's very... Is it a meme? Is it intentional? Fixed an issue where a lot of non-gore objects were hidden by blood gore settings. Fixed some hard mode dungeon enemies drawing into the floor slightly in their animation. Okay. That would break immersion. Thank you. Fixed an issue where digging mole cart would dig through tiles that should not be destroyed. Do they go like through the world border? How does that work? Fixed player map borders not adjusting the border color properly. Okay. Fixed an issue where cultist, devotee, ban, and red potion did not have research values. What the fuck? You just never tested? Wait, red potion. Isn't that the potion you drink and you get every debuff in the game and just melt? This kid ate 1 red potion. This is what happened to their liver. Fixed explosives counting as PvP damage, resulting in it not dropping coins when you were killed by them. What? Fixed a couple of tooltip typos. Fixed some consistently issues with the Ninja Gear tooltips. Updated invisibility potions tooltip. Fixed a sprite issue with the bowl of soup. Fixed an issue where if the entire top of your world is covered with platforms, it would prevent meteors from spawning. I'm interested to see who discovered that one. Fixed certain cases of text getting random new lines? Wonder what that means. We got these. Bad torch luck. Who knows what that means? Okay, when were these posted? Yesterday at 6:30. Okay, so a few things happened here. What did I just read? Okay, current version, 4.0.4. So as far as I know, if these were all from yesterday... Wait, do these all say the same thing? No, they don't. Increased prismatic lacewing spawn rate? The fuck does that mean? Angry Dandelions now have a chance to drop Daybloom. Lol. Betsy now only takes 1 kill to max bestiary progress like other main bosses. This is actually a reference to the guy the very first guy in the world that got the full bestiary, and he was like, it's really like hellish that you need to kill 50 of these, but I did it. They must have seen that tweet. What? Good on them. Zenith now requires Beekeeper in his recipe. Cool. Shiverthorn is now somewhat slower to grow, but twice as fast to bloom. Okay. Water Lily grows faster in rain. Blinker grows faster underground. Fire Blossom in the underworld. What? Fire Blossom in the underworld? Yeah, I know where it is. What does this line mean? More Blinkroots appear during World Gen, and all herbs potentially grow during World Gen as well. Owls now hoot less. The poor things. We're already shoving them into ovens. What, you think you could at least give them, like, a voice? Next, you know they're not going to be allowed to own property. It's just going to be... would say Jim Crow, but it's more like Jim Owl at this point. Added a large quantity of art asset revisions, mostly minor touch-ups, but several with substantial changes, most notably the Molten Weapons and Tools, Contaminator, STMG. Art asset revisions, minor touch-ups. Okay, so the, like, how it looks. Cool. Tombstone now display with Danger Sense Potion. I guess that makes sense, because they can create graveyards. So they're kind of dangerous. Dungeon Guardian and Old Man will also be unlocked if you have Skeleton unlocked now, or Skeletron unlocked now, in addition to the previously existing methods to ensure you could unlock them. What does that mean? Unlock? You mean like in Bestiary? Added a config JSON setting, disable intense visual effects. You could use to disable flashing during thunderstorms, can be expanded to include other mechanics upon feedback. Cool. I guess that's for photosensitive viewers. That's nice. Crash fixes and performance, causing serious world gen problems and some crashes for users Turkish language. Why does the Turkish language crash? What? They just don't know what the hell. You know that the code has been pushed to its limit when Turkish characters are crashing it. Users with file permissions crashes should now get an updated error message giving more instructions on the matter. Cool. This is like really long. File permissions stem from Terraria not being allowed by the PC to make the modified save file, usually causing crashes when saving her. Okay, sure. Fixed not getting a proper sound initiation, not actually disabling sound. This should fix some sound initializing crashes. That is a hard word to say. Initialization crashes. What? They said they fixed so much. Okay, what is this? Fixed an issue where the world menu seed button was still hidden. Fixed an issue where sometimes players would get extremely long death timers. The maximum should be 30 seconds. Should be retroactive. Fixed characters with an extremely high death timer. Fixed certain users not having left click assigned to their mouse in the main menu and load. I think something like this happened to me. I think it like fucked my resolution or something. Just like random shit is just going wrong. Fixed an issue where minions would be summoned at an inverted position when in reverse gravity. Cool. Fixed an issue when the summon lock-on icon would be inverted position reverse gravity. Fixed an issue where hollow trees on mode hollowed grass would drop normal wood. Weird. Fixed an issue where coin sparkles weren't appearing. Thank you. Let me flex on my peasant neighbors, please. Fixed an issue where gold seahorses were caught as seahorse cages. I would be pissed. I've only seen like one seahorse. Fixed an issue where some goblins would get stuck indoors and sink into the floor. I remember that. That happens with Pinky all the time. Fixed an out... What is that sound? It's the ghost of a chainsaw, who knows. Fixed an outline issue on Jungle Pants. Cool. Fixed flail chains drawing incorrectly in some of the mounts. Fixed an issue where wearing Moonlord legs and... It's literally just like PewDiePie all over again, right? Like... I didn't know this had legs. And frog legs at the same time would give you no legs at all? What the fuck? Kind of what? Alright, fixed an issue where you could use the step stool while grappled. I don't even think I've found that yet. I don't know what that is. I think, oh wait, my friend gave it to me in one of the multiplayer worlds I was briefly on. You hit up to go a block higher. Good early game item. I think it's cool. Fixed an issue where the stylus only hairs were inadvertently available by randomizing your character. Ooh, that one's... Ugh. Good fix. Fixed an issue where NPCs were affected by disliking their neighbors more than hating their neighbors. What? How do you mess that up? Whatever, at least it's fixed. I shouldn't be an asshole. Fixed an issue where you could summon multiple queen slimes. Who the fuck is queen slime? They must mean king slime, and they just never mentioned, like, it was a typo or something. I think this might be the other hard mode boss. This has already been spoiled for me, I think. So there's like a giant conch shell thing, and then there's like queen slime. No idea what the fuck, who that is, but we'll find out, I guess. Fixed an issue where texture packs would not work for files or tiles without a game restart. Fixed some visual effects acting unusual when time is sped up with journey mode. Sleeping sundials, okay. Titanium step bonus no longer triggers off of target dummies, cool. Nice that that's in the game, because people will take advantage of anything they can to get an advantage. 2B2T. Fixed a crash when a server tries to generate certain seeds via server config text. Fixed an issue where having pickup text off and using a sonar potion would delete the item you got. Fixed obsidian sinks using only obsidian instead of hellstone. Fixed server config text would path option being ignored during auto create. Fixed hooks and mounts being usable after medium core death. Ugh. Fixed trident movement impacting minecarts. Okay, that'd be jank, thank you. Fixed angler quest fishing icon disappearing when a player dies. Fixed an issue where key of light and night spawned mimics left behind phantom ghost chest tiles. Terrifying. Betsy's loot having half the intended drop chance. Ugh, that's awful. Thank you. Fixed depth meter displaying incorrect height biome when using camera moving items. Ooh. Weird. Cool Whip Snowflake should no longer attack critters target dummies. What do you mean should? You mean you didn't actually fix anything? You're just like having a comment like whoever wrote this is not actually like the people in charge of coding the game, so they're just like giving their own opinion on the matter. It should not attack critters or target dummies. Yeah, hopefully they do that. They change that, make you feel better, so you can sleep better at night. Fixed Cool Whip Snowflake not despawning when a player dies or quits. Fixed. Wait, if you quit the game, it doesn't despawn? What does that mean? Does it just like sit in your hard drive for all of time? Like, it just ages like cheddar. That's horrific. Thank you for changing that. Fixed exquisitively fed buff not giving ranged damage. Okay, cool. They were bad enough as is. Thank you for buffing them more. Just kidding. Joke. Joke only. Fixed ocean critters spawning in deep caves below the ocean. Okay, thank you. Fixed lava lamps being unable to be placed on tables. Thank you. I like putting those on tables. I don't know about you. Every lava lamp I've ever seen has been on a table. I don't, like... Fixed Mini Minotaur not animating properly while flying. I probably noticed that in my video earlier today. Fixed some item spelling concerns and grammatical issues with NPC happiness text. Cool. This one is tiny. What? Changes, additions, added master and journey to combine command line options for the dedicated server. Ghosts should now be more likely to despawn and reduce the conditions which allow them to spawn as well for the maximum number of them. Error logging in should no longer create DMP data files when the game crashes. We no longer use them. Okay. So leftover thing they just forgot to get rid of. Kind of like the whale, how it has like this weird little bone in its leg it never uses. Or what's left of its leg, rather. Bug fixes. Added some protection to ensure World Gen works for users using different languages, but we are still investigating a more thorough fix. Cool. I just want to play with my Mexican friend, but the game just keeps... My computer makes noises like a lawnmower. I don't know what's going wrong. Fixed a number of issues where Terraria tries to make or modify files, but users' side PC permissions prevented from doing so lead to crashes errors. Fixed crash-related sound initialization. that word again. I wish it would go away. It's scaring me. I'm crying right now. Fixed a few auto start errors for the server. Fixed an issue with kicking players not actually being fully removed, preventing players from rejoining. Cool. Demon altars can no longer spawn on rare configurations of adjacent cacti, which would crash the world if they were hit. That is hilarious. Coins no longer have a sell value. I thought they did this like a while ago. Fixed an issue where map scale was impossibly low, resulting in some map-related issues. Cool. And then the last thing they did since yesterday, apparently. I don't even know if I have an account on this. I think I do, but I don't remember the password. And, what's the guy's name? Tunnel King? He'd be mad if I made another account. You're not allowed to have more than one account. I just don't remember my account name. How am I supposed to message this guy without an account? Maybe he has a Twitter. Who knows? Meteorites can now no longer fall until after Eater of Worlds Breakthrough have been defeated. Okay, so you can't, like, break shit, get infinitely shooting space gun, and then kill them with it. Good balance. Killing the Eater of Worlds Breakthrough again will boost the drop rate of subsequent meteors for the following night instead of breaking more orbs. Oh, thank you. Meteorites can no longer be destroyed with explosives. Ooh. A few friends of mine would like to know your location. Pirate Captain now spawns a ghost pirate when he is killed. Good to know. I didn't want to get murdered by that. Dune Rider boots can now be tinkered with rocket boots to make Spectre boots. I guess that confirms my next question. They're boots you find in the desert. Fixed several internal-only issues that were only present in beta builds. Okay. Corrections. Changed additions accidentally not included in the 1.4. Statue-spawned enemies now require some form of player damage to drop their drops, even if the killing blow is done by lava or traps. Okay, wait, what? Statue-spawned enemies now require some form of player damage to drop their drops, even if the killing blow is done by lava or traps. So you can't kill them with lava or traps, you have to actually hit them. Okay. Well, that appears to be everything. Save corruption. Okay. They definitely need to fix that. That fucking, my world's getting corrupted is like doomed mini world of mine. I think like three worlds, which first one had 1,000 hours, second one had like, I don't remember, like 300, 200. Third one had 800. And now I'm on another one with 300 in like 30. I hope that one doesn't get corrupted. I would cry. Thanks for watching. I've been C4H. Check out the other series in the channel. In the playlist tab would be the best place to look for those. Thanks again for watching. See you later.